Now, if you have some trouble feeling your triceps, I have a amazing exercise for you. It's an old school exercise, not a lot of people do it. Basically, people are just scared of doing it. People are like, oh my God, this is not appearing on all the new guys' Instagram or YouTube. I don't give a fuck. This right here is something they did back in the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and started with 2000. This is for your tricep, all right? So, we're gonna get our hands right in here as close as possible. So you can line it up like this and fold it like this. Now we're gonna take our elbows as close as possible, but not too close, don't overdo it. Re-rack it and go all the way down. Now, if you can, squeeze your triceps all the way down, all the way up. This will put load on your triceps, not your underarms, not your wrists, not your shoulder, only your tricep. You'll feel it if you try it a couple of times. When you slow down, make sure you squeeze your tricep, you isolate your tricep, and you push with your tricep. So the only thing you're working here is your tricep, actually. It's a great movement. And the thing here is you can actually load a lot of kilos or pounds on it without feeling it in your arms. You're strictly feeling it in your tricep, nothing else. Right now, my triceps are on fire. I'm gonna re-rack after this. Maybe one more. Ha, I fooled you. Oh, shit, all the way up. Oh yes. So, it's gonna make that tricep grow. Right now, honestly, I can't feel my tricep because I'm just fucking destroyed. But, try it at home or in your private gym. I don't know what the fuck you train. All right? Like, subscribe, comment, show some love. I love you too, all right? I'll see you soon. Oh, I'm getting too old for this shit.